Samantala, pwede na ulit i-sponsor ang mga parents at grandparents dito sa Canada pagpasok ng taong 2014. Pero ngayon pa lang, kailangan ng paghandaan ito dahil sa mas mahirap na requirement ng Immigration Canada. Kuya Ivano reports.
Months after Immigration Canada announced the reopening of the parent and grandparent sponsorship next year, many kababayans are still wondering what the new requirements will be. Geraldine and Robert Laiko are hopeful their children will still get to spend time with Lolo and Lola here in Canada.
Kung makakayang ma-reach yung mga requirements para makuha sila rito, then maybe kukunin namin ng grandparents ng mga bata para makapiling ang mga apo nila.
But immigration consultant Rosette Ramos says it will not be easy. Major changes have been implemented on the requirements for parents and grandparent sponsorship. A quota of only 5,000 applications will be accepted every year, and there will be higher and stricter income requirements.
The current regulation, dito sa mag-o-open sa January, you need to meet the minimum income threshold 3 years prior to submission. The second change is, dati pwede kang magpakita ng income mo from any country. But now, they will only admit proof of income that you earned in Canada. And yung pangatlong change naman is yung increase sa minimum income threshold. Dati kung ano yung low income cutoff, yun yung gagamitin mo. But right now, low income cutoff plus 30% of that.
A longer period of undertaking will also be implemented. From 10 years, it will be 20.
Ang ibig sabihin nito, within that 20-year period at nag-access ng social assistance ang iyong parent or grandparent, then you have to pay the government back kung ano man yung ibinigay ng government.
But even with these changes, many kababayans are still determined to bring parents and grandparents to Canada.
Ay, walang problema. Kung ano may madagdag na as long as na kaya kong i-provide, willing pa rin akong kukunin sila at madala dito sa Canada.
Settlement groups, however, warn that while bringing parents or grandparents to Canada may be beneficial to families, it can also lead to isolation, depression, and even elder abuse.
Kung pupunta sila dito, yung main reason natin is mag-alaga ng mga bata, mga anak natin para makapagtrabaho tayo, I don't think na maganda yon. Kung ang reason lang natin is tagapag-alaga at hindi talaga natin sila i-integrate sa Canadian community, parang baliwala din.
The sponsorship program reopens in 2014. Immigration officials say that after fixing the backlog on these visa applications, Canada is ready to welcome parents and grandparents again. Kuya Ivano, ABS-CBN News, Calgary.